What's a curly girl to do when she wants to look her best for a night out on the town? Thankfully, LuxJu Natural Hair Care doesn't leave a buildup on the hair and allows for easy hair changes. Check out this quick change up from celebrity hairstylist Monae Everett. Hi, I'm Monae Everett, and I'm going to use LuxJu Natural Hair products to create a super simple going out hairstyle for after work. This is so easy that you could probably do it in the restroom at the office. We're simply going to take these beautiful curls and give it some pizzazz. The first thing I'm going to do is create a section. And I am going to go diagonal from the cheekbone. You see this cheekbone? Just go straight up to the center of the head on both sides. So we put the front into one section. Now we're going to follow behind the ear and divide that all the way across. And at this point, I'm going to use my LuxJu Nourishing Hair Mist. This is going to moisturize the curls a bit and allow me to grab a nice pony. I'm going to take a little bit of my LuxJu Nourishing Hair Cream to smooth out that hairline. Remember, when your hair is moisturized, you can get it to do most things. When it's not moisturized, it will fight you. I'm going to apply a tangle-free hairband. There's no clasp to catch on the natural hair. One of the things that I love about the Nourishing Hair Mist is that it has aloe and coconut oil and superfruits to moisturize the hair. At this point in our natural hair lives, we know that it's all about nourishing the hair and feeding your body from the inside out. If it's good for your body, it's probably good for your hair. I'm going to sleek it with a little bit of the Nourishing Hair Cream. Ooh, I love the aloe vera. The aloe vera provides deep moisture deep into the hair shaft. Most of us like to sleek down that hairline in the front. I believe that is a key tip to having your hair look styled. I'm going to add a little moisture with the Nourishing Hair Mist. And yes, you could have just sprayed the entire head ahead of time, but I like to go section at a time. I like to control my outcome. And once again, the Nourishing Hair Cream. I love that the shea butter in here really locks in the moisture from the Nourishing Hair Mist. I love it when I have products that work together instead of against each other. And if you have these cute little ringlets on the side, like my model, you might as well let it hang a bit. So notice how with these 3 ponytails, it already seems like the hair has a little bit of style going on. But we can do a little better than just leaving it in 3 ponytails, right? You know? So we're just going to pin some hair in place and get a cute look. Twist down each ponytail, creating a loop and leaving the curly ends free. Pin the base of the twist and hold the hair in place. Since all of LuxJu's products are so moisturizing and only using organic ingredients like moringa oil and almond oil, I'm happy to try fun styles on this client. As a hairstylist, I prefer to use LuxJu Natural Hair Care products on my clients because it doesn't contain any parabens or mineral oils, and it allows me to move the hair however I like without the fear of product buildup or breakage. So many of my clients with curly hair who have chosen to wear their hair chemical-free, want high-end quality products that won't flake on their hair and will actually improve the health of their hair. They want to try these products and be able to create different hairstyles, whether they're going to work for the day or they have a fun event to go to. They feel that they need more products that don't have a buildup, and LuxJu Natural Hair Care is the right product line for you. Treat yourself to LuxJu Nourishing Hair Care by visiting us online at LuxJuNaturalHairCareProducts.com and on social media at LuxJu Hair Care.